Hi everyone! So today I want to explain the idiom to have bigger fish to fry. We use this idiom to say you have more important things to do or worry about than what is being discussed. Here are some examples of this idiom. I can't think about dinner right now. I have bigger fish to fry. My phone isn't working, but I have bigger fish to fry. I'll sort that out later. Don't you think you have bigger fish to fry? The project is due at 3 p.m. and you're still having lunch. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to Hello English Cork on YouTube. Happy learning!